I am seriously going to be wearing the same clothes in like 4 videos in a row, I think. That's awesome. Hello again, imaginary YouTube void. I'm here today to welcome you to join these boxes in I'm here to open up a subscription box. It's Glossybox time. Today we are looking at the January Glossybox. At the time of filming, I have not yet uploaded the not February, what order do months go in again? I haven't yet uploaded the December Glossybox because I'm a jerk, and also because I was really ill and blah blah. I complained about that in another video, you don't need to hear it again, whatever. Stuff, anyway. But here I am. So, no more faffing. Let us do the thing. Let me see if I can do this while I hold it up like this. It's really exciting. Oh no, I'm just gonna break it. Broke it. Broke it again. Okay. This is what happens when Gail tries to be fancy and talks about herself in the third person. Oh god, that's annoying. Why do I do that? Right. Here we are. It's the usual boring box design that I don't love. So let us get on with it. Okay. Happy New Year, Glossies.
Out with the old and in with the new.
Yeah. Wait, no, I am the old. No, in with the old. Keep the old. We like the old. I'm old.
We know you've heard it all before, but we're here to help you make some serious #beauty goals that we can all stick to. We're kicking off the new year with an edit of products that'll make keeping our beauty resolutions easy. Okay, from a hydrating hair treatment.
I've got like 7 of those. I mean, not that I can't use them, but I've got like 7.
To a luxurious moisturizer. Ooh, and discovering new beauty tools. Our January picks will help you to start a fabulous new chapter in your beauty journey. Hey!
A fabulous new chapter in my beauty journey is to become beautiful.
No more breaking promises for us. Find out what beauty resolutions we'll be sticking to this 2019. Lydia Woodward, beauty editor at Glossybox.
It has a picture of this, I assume, Miss Woodward. And of course she's, you know, all shiny and beautiful and whatnot. Okay. No more spoilers. First thing I pick up is this. This will be the hair mask. Bamboo Oil Pro Defense Complex. Reinforces and nourishes all hair types. Strengthening deep conditioner. Now this is a pretty decent size. Like, it's quite a fat tube, so I might even be able to get like a couple or maybe 3 uses out of this if I'm careful. Cool. Okay. Next thing is Deluxe Hyaluronic Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Oh, lovely. Shea Butter, Hyaluronic Vitamin B3, Seawater, and Sweet Almond. Next item we've got 2 things so far. Okay, next thing. Oh, what is this? Okay, it's a foundation blending sponge. It's Maybelline Dream Blender, but it looks... Oh, it's like on a stick. Okay. Guys. I mean, you know, it seems bad. Ooh, that's actually like good for kind of putting in there, maybe. Like, you know, it's sort of, it like looks simultaneously like the Taj Mahal or like, what is it, St. Basil's in Russia? Is it St. Basil's? The really colourful sort of floopy church. Floopy, yeah. I said it. Anyway, cool, I guess. I mean, I'll see how that goes. It feels nice. Maybe it will be useful. Cool. Okay, so there's one big thing and one small thing. One is like a tube and the other's like a pencil. I'll do the pencil first. I think it's like, oh, is this going to be an eyebrow thing? No. Ciate London Wonder Wand Gel Kohl Liner. Why are there two ends? I'm going to have to open it now to see why there are two sides to it. Because if you see, look, see? It's double-sided. Oh, the stars are actually on the cap. That's adorable. I wonder if you can see. You can kind of see. The stars are on the cap. Oh, so that's a brush. I guess for blending. It is the liner. Okay. Let's see. I mean, that's a pretty nice black line. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I have my like black pencil liner that I've used for years that I compare everything to, so we will see. And finally, this giant tube of God knows what. I'll let you see it first. So if I'm reading it correctly backwards, it's 417, and the rest you cannot see. Redefined Facial Micro Loofah Foaming Gel. Oh, good. Okay, so it's like a, it's going to be like an exfoliating facial scrub thing, which is nice because I'm nearing the end of the last one I got in one of these boxes. Again, I can't remember the name of it. I think it was, no, I don't remember. But I'll put it here somewhere. Maybe there. I'll put it there or there or wherever. I'll put it somewhere. I still have to make a video about, well, the last 6 months of beauty boxes that I've received and the things that I've received in them and what I liked and didn't and so on. It's coming. I promise. Don't know when, but it's coming. Cool. Okay. And that, ladies and gentlemen, because I know I have at least 2 ladies and 2 gentlemen that watch sometimes. So that's good. So yeah, that is our Glossybox. Let's see what it says on the thing. So the deluxe hyaluronic vivifying, I'm guessing vivifying, giving life to, I suppose. Enlivening, maybe? Where's it gone? Ah, there we are. Avant, it says, which means ahead or before, maybe. Like avanti. Like before, or also means go ahead. Things like that. Anyway, Avant Skincare Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Lovely. The Hask Bamboo Oil Deep Conditioning Treatment. The Wonder Wand Liner from Ciate London. The Wang Sponge from Maybelline. It's a good thing I'm not monetized because that would probably get me demonetized. Okay, anyway. And finally, the Facial Micro Loofah Foaming Gel. Fantastic. So, finally, that's me done with the usual beauty boxes. I'm excited to try all the stuff. I think particularly maybe the face wash. See how it compares to the other one. Maybe the hair mask because I need it. That's it for me. Oof. I hate this part. I just feel like such a tool. Hey guys, subscribe to my channel. If any of you guys also get these boxes, let me know what you thought of what came in them this month. I'm gonna stop babbling now and see you next time. I'm gonna finish my tea.